Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make a broccoli casserole with rice. My neighbor got 9 broccoli heads in her delivery instead of 3, so I got a few of the extra. This is a perfect recipe to use leftover rice and make broccoli taste better than it does. Your kids will like this too because it's creamy and cheesy. I've washed and cut up the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. You can use the stems, just peel any tough parts off and cut them small like this. I'm using long grain white rice that I've already cooked, cheddar cheese, I just grated it on a box grater. Cream cheese, take it out of the fridge, then you can prepare the other ingredients. This way the cream cheese will get a bit soft. Diced yellow onion and minced garlic. Whole milk, butter, and all-purpose flour to thicken the sauce. A lot of recipes call for condensed cream soup in casseroles. Making your own sauce is really easy, so no need to use the canned stuff. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Heat up a pot and add the broccoli, a little water, salt, and ground black pepper. Mix it up and cook for about 2 minutes. See, the broccoli is bright green. Now we can turn the heat off. Set the broccoli aside. If there's any water left in the pot, save it with the broccoli. To the same pot, add butter. When it melts, add the all-purpose flour. Stir and add the onions and garlic. Cook for 2 minutes. The garlic should lose its raw flavor and the onions will be a little soft. They don't need to be very soft or cooked well. Pour in the milk, stir and bring it up to a boil. Turn the heat down to low and add the cheddar cheese and cream cheese. Stir until the cheeses are melted and the sauce is smooth. Turn the heat off, taste and add salt and red chili flakes. Add the rice. And broccoli. Butter an oven-safe dish. These white corningware dishes are really useful no matter what you're cooking. Pour it all in there. Even it out. Cover and bake in the heated oven for 30 to 45 minutes until hot and bubbly. My oven took about 40 minutes. It's ready to eat just like this. If you want that pretty golden color on top, add some grated cheddar cheese. Put it under the broiler for 2 to 3 minutes and it will look like this. Creamy and cheesy without being loaded with cheese. It's easy and definitely worth making. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.